Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to configure Roman on your MikroTik devices. Roman is a powerful feature in MikroTik that allows us to access and configure devices in a network, even when they are not directly connected to our computer. So without further ado, let's get started. Here's the network setup we'll be working with. I have 3 MikroTik routers in my topology. My computer is directly connected to router 1. Router 2 is connected to router 1. And router 3 is connected to router 2. Using Roman, I'll demonstrate how to access and configure router 2 and router 3, even though they are not directly connected to my computer. Additionally, I'll show you how to use router 1's public IP address to access all routers via Roman. Test lab desired results will be IT computer can configure router 2 and router 3 even if it's not directly connected to each other through Roman. Number 2, home computer can remote access router 2 and router 3 to the public IP address of router 1, connect to Roman. I will now access router 1. I am done doing the basic configuration on this router. It has already an internet. I will now configure Roman on this router. Go to Tools, Roman. Check Enable and set a secret password. For this demo, I'll use Roman123. Now that Roman is enabled on router 1, go now to IP, then Neighbors. You can see here the connected devices of router 1. As what you can see here, this is the router 2 and is connected to Ethernet 5. Select it and right click. Select MAC Telnet. Input here the username and password of router 2. In this demo, router 2 and router 3 is in default configuration. Username is admin. Password is blank. We will set new password for router 2. We will now enable Roman on router 2 and put the Roman password. Type this command. Tool, Roman, set, enabled yes, secrets, Roman123. Enter. We will also set the identity of this router. I will name this router 2. Type this command. System, identity, set, name, router 2. We are now done here in router 2. Let's close this Winbox session. We will try to access router 2 via Roman. Open again Winbox. As what you can see here, the router 2 is being detected. You can directly access router 2 in this case. However, for this demonstration, we will access router 2 via Roman here in router 1. Select router 1, then click Connect to Roman. You will see here the router 2 device. Select it, then click Connect. Alright. So as you can see, we successfully access router 2 via Roman through router 1. What we'll do next is to go to IP, the neighbors. You will see here the router 3 device. And it's connected to Ethernet 4. Based on our topology, router 3, Ethernet 4 is connected to Ethernet 4 of router 2. Right click, then select MAC Telnet. Input here the username and password of router 3. Since router 3 is in default configuration, username is admin, password is blank. We will set new password for router 3. We will now enable Roman on router 3 and put the Roman password. Type this command. Then press enter. We will also set the identity of this router. I will name this router 3. We are now done here in router 3. Let's close this Winbox session. We will try to access router 2 and router 3 via Roman. Open Winbox again. Select router 1. Input here the password of router 1, username and password. Then click connect to Roman. As what you can see here, router 2 and router 3 is detected. Since the Roman feature in router 2 and router 3 is enabled. Let's try to access router 2. Connect. As what you can see, we successfully access the router 2. Let's open another Winbox session. Select router 1. Input the username and password of router 1. Then click connect to Roman. Select router 3. Input here the username and password of router 3. In this case, I put the username and password of router 3 the same as router 1. Select router 3, then click connect. As what you can see, we successfully access router 3 via Roman. Take note, router 2 and router 3 is not directly connected to my computer. Now, let's access the routers through router 1's public IP. We will simulate that this computer is my home computer and is connected to a different internet source. Home computer will connect to router 1, then connect to Roman to access router 2 and router 3. I will connect first my computer to a different internet source. I am now connected to a different internet source. Open Winbox. Input here in connect to the public IP address of router 1. Then input the username and password. If you click connect directly, you will access router 1. I will just go directly to access router 2 and router 3 via Roman. So I will just click connect to Roman. Then as what you can see here, router 2 and router 3 is detected. I'm going to access router 2. Select router 2 and click connect. As what you can see, I successfully accessed router 2. I will open another Winbox session. Then click connect to Roamon again. This time I will select router 3. Click connect. So as you can see, I successfully access router 3 as well. This is it guys on how to configure Roamon on your Microtech devices. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Please also hit that notification bell so you can be notified to my new videos. Bye for now and have a nice day.